Arete's 3D roller system allows plethora styles of a massage. SL track gives broad range of the rollers to smoothly glide up and down, along with the natural curvature of the human spine for more and precise coverage of the massage on your body. Auto body scanning working for you to find the right position of your shoulder to perfectly ready for the most pleasant massage experience. Unique triangular roller system, specially designed to release the stiffness of calves caused by any harsh environments, will blow away your stress. Rhythmic air cell massage will deliver the secureness and extra boost to your relaxation. And listening to music will help you to be more absorbed into a massage. Arete's big touchscreen remote interface shows all the menus and options conspicuously and is very easy to control all the features and adjustments Arete offer for your satisfaction. Arete has whooping 24 auto programs that can soothe 24 hours of your day. The whole body Ondo heating system will have you melt in Arete and will embrace your whole body with warmth and soften your stiffness. Arete offers memory function to save up to 5 customized and favorite auto programs. Can 5 feet tall be fit in Arete? Yes. Can 6 feet tall be fit in Arete? Yes. Arete has adopted the Kahuna Chair's exclusively unique calf length adjustment to embrace the most individuals. Arete can perform 3 levels of zero gravity to give options to achieve the utmost comfort and to experience the gravity-free weightlessness. Unique triangular roller system, specially designed to release the stiffness of calves caused by any harsh environments, will blow away your stress. Off-white, profound brown, modern black. Arete offers 3 color options.